Whoops. Okay, there we go. What I've been hearing a lot of is like, oh, I don't want to watch videos. They're so boring. Well, I hear you. I get what you're saying, but you still got to learn. So I'm going to try to keep them as short but as educational as possible. So let's get started with our first lesson, and this one is called Simplifying Radicals. That's all we're going to be doing today. All right? So to simplify a radical, if you remember, it's kind of like you got to treat this radical right over here, like it's a prison. Okay, this is a prison for numbers, and these numbers, they want to get out of prison. They do. The way they get out of prison is finding a friend to get them out of prison. And what I mean by that is that we do the prime factorization. So you start by splitting up this number. Okay, this is called our radicand. We split this up by seeing what it multiplies to, and that's at 25 and 3. Okay. Well, we could keep factoring this, so we split up the 25 into 5 and 5. So if we do our prime factorization, we get 5 times 5 times 3. That equals 75. Now to get out of jail, you have to have up two partners. Because remember, the index of this guy is 2 when it's not written. This has an index of 2. So you need two partners to get out of jail. So right over here, we got two 5s. This 5 gets out of jail. Okay? We bust him out. Now who's stuck in jail? This sucker over here, this 3. 3 stuck in jail, so we're going to put him right back in jail. He can't find a friend. Now x to the 5th, I'm not sure if you remember this, but the way to do this is you just divide the exponent by the index. So I do 5 divided by 2, which is 2, and the remainder stays on the inside, which is 1. I hope you understood that. Maybe we could just go over the steps one more time. You do the prime factorization, 25 and 3. 25 is 5 and 5. What you do is you find a friend to get out of jail. These two 5s get this 5 to come out of jail, yet your stupid 3 is stuck in jail. You then divide your exponent by your index, which in this case is 2. However many times it goes in, it goes over here, and whatever your remainder is goes over here. And that is how you simplify a radical. Let's try it one more time with this second example over here. Once again, we got a big number and some exponents. How do we do this? Well, we just start by doing our little factor tree. Well, this is an even number, so we can divide it into 2. So it's going to be 2 times, let's see, that's 108. This is another even number, so this is 54 times 2. This can be factored into 9 times 6. Let's see, this is 3 times 2, and this is 3 times 3. Now we got to get some partners going, see who gets out of jail. So we got a 3 who comes out of jail, and a 2 who gets out of jail, right? We got two 2s right here. These guys, no partners, don't get out of jail. So who gets out of jail? We got a 3, and we got a 2. Now who's stuck in jail? This 3 and 2. Okay. Now let's look what else we got. We go up to the top over here. Remember the index is 2 because that's just implied if it's not written. We do 7 divided by 2. Well, that goes in 3 times with a remainder of 1. And 8 divided by 2, which is 4, with a remainder of nothing. So totally gets out of jail. Okay, to get our final answer, we just got to multiply these numbers. So our final answer is going to be 6x to the 3rd, y to the 4th, time, and inside jail is just 6x. And that is our beautiful, perfect answer. Okay, kids, that's it for this lesson. Remember, if you need any extra help, give me a holler. And remember, budget money wisely. Don't spend it all on like snickerdoodles.